Hello, friends. So, friends, another thing which came up lately in this week as a channeling and as a subject matter, which I'm going to tell you, and you can do more, you can know more about it at your own level. So, there is a new term. Just like narcissism is around 3 or 4 years old, it did not, narcissism patterns did not start 7 or 8 years back, they started 3 or 4 years back, and lately the new waves or even the old waves of twin flames who were now not yet united faced a lot of narcissism from their family and from their spouses. Now, another term which has become the highlights in 6 months or so, which none of you, I believe, are aware of, is the term limerence. Limerance, limerence. Now, limerence is a behavior in which you feel that somebody is your object of attention and you want love back in return. The love that you're giving them, you want that back in return. You don't think about anything else but them all day long. You don't want to face any rejection from them. You're always in their thoughts. And the most important twist is that actually, when you are with them, in periods that you're with them, you feel anxious, you feel anxiety. You don't exactly feel a very harmonious connection. You feel very anxious, as if you're below them or as if something is not right. So, these are the few symptoms of limerence or of a connection which is limerence. Now, limerence connections, they are generally in separation and you are just thinking about that person and feeling all these things that I said, that they are your object of attention, you want love back. Obviously, if they were totally connected with you, you would both be loving each other, right? You would not say that want love back and I cannot take rejection. This person is whom I want, and this person who I am obsessing over, and if they reject me, I'm no good. But actually, when they meet you briefly for a coffee date or something, you always feel anxiety around them. So this is the new thing which is coming up in twin flame connections, particularly with people who are with false twin flames, or with karmic persons, karmic soulmates, and they believe that that's the twin flame. So it's a concept named limerence. So any time you're doing whatever you're doing, you're always obsessing over them, thinking about them, and you don't want to face rejection if you do propose to them. So why is this coming in connection with twin flames? Because twin flame relationship mimics a lot with limerence relationships, because in twin flame relationships also you do feel this way, but the main differentiating point is that you don't feel anxious with your true twin flame ever. If you have met them for a date or you have connected with them physically, intimately, emotionally, whatever, you will not feel anxious, but you will feel all other factors which I said. You will feel obsessive over them, you will keep thinking about them 24/7, you will not want rejection from them. So these are common, but the anxiety factor is not common. So limerence is more of a mental thing, just like narcissism that you face is a mental thing. Gaslighting is there, scapegoating is there. You have to be a grey rock, to avoid narcissism. So similarly, limerence. Search this concept, and whatever good data that you find on limerence, ask yourself that if you are in a limerence kind of a relationship or a true twin flame relationship. And as always, our personal services are always there for you if you want to detect the true nature of your twin flame journey and want to know the exact details of what is going on. Do connect with us and take your personal services, which are in the description box. Do give a look, so that you at least know what personal services we do, so that you can order them in the future if you do want. So with that, happy searching.